Now let's begin in Borno State, northeast Nigeria, where Governor Babagana Zulum has continued to demonstrate commitment and passion for the welfare of his people. Professor Zulum raised the bar yet again by inaugurating eye and dental hospitals as well as a mega secondary school in Biu Local Government Area of the state. The governor also approved the appointment of a team of highly trained medical doctors and specialists who will offer treatments for cataracts, glaucoma and other vision-related ailments. In his words, healthcare is one of the cardinal pillars of the Borno State's 25-year development plan and the 10-year strategic transformation initiative. Now let's share the story by TVC News' Jesse Tafida with you.
The 13-year Boko Haram conflict has severely damaged Borno State healthcare system, resulting in the destruction of about 788 medical facilities. The State Ministry of Health reveals that 40% of its healthcare facilities have been ravaged and only one-third of the remaining facilities are functional. But as peace returns, the Zulum-led administration is making moves to revamp the sector with the allocation of 89.97 billion naira, representing 15.39% of the total budget of 2025. Today, the governor is in Biu town to inaugurate another healthcare centers. The healthcare centers are well equipped with modern facilities and will provide affordable services to people of Biu and beyond.
The commissioning of these state-of-the-art hospitals is a significant milestone in our concerted efforts to revitalize the health sector in Borno State. It represents our commitment to providing accessible, affordable, and quality healthcare services to our citizens. I have no doubt that these hospitals are designed and equipped with modern facilities and staffed by highly trained medical professionals to meet the healthcare requirements of this densely populated zone.
These facilities are specialist health facilities that can handle advanced ophthalmological and dental cases with capacity to cater for patients well beyond Biu. Sight is life, Your Excellency. We appreciate you for bringing to the doorsteps here in Biu to cure the commonest cause of blindness, which is cataract.
The hospitals have 56 beds in total, 2 theaters, consultation rooms, an administration block, male and female ward, and pharmacies. Shortly after the inauguration, Governor Babagana Zulum also disbursed 1 billion naira to 5,603 small and medium-scale entrepreneurs, 3,800 youth and other vulnerable groups in Biu and Howell. The governor also directed the Borno State Social Investment Management Program to identify and screen additional 2,000 vulnerable youths within local communities for another disbursement. Jesse Tafida, TVC News, Biu.
Okay, wow, beautiful one. Governor Babagana Zulum, once again showing commitments to improving the quality of life for Borno citizens. Biu, your thoughts on this?
Yeah, whatever I see happening, usually positive in Borno State, do not come to me as a surprise because the governor has shown his quality over the years. And one of the greatest goodwill that God has shown to the people of Borno State is to bring Professor Zulum. He has demonstrated exceptional leadership. He's so quick thinking and he's so people-centered. That is what stands him out. And you see some of the projects in Borno State, the quality of those projects, you'll be wondering. Borno State is where you see schools that are so beautiful, you think they are Senate buildings of some universities, the mega schools and all that. And look, when you go to Biu now, the network of roads and Biu has been, at the time when Boko Haram was at the height of his strength. They couldn't penetrate Biu. Every time they tried it, they were dealt with. They couldn't enter Biu. So Biu has enjoyed peace and real progress. And with their son, the House of Reps member, Liu Betara, so many projects have been attracted to Biu. If there's one lawmaker who has done so much for his community, it is Aliu Betara. And now you can see the governor showing the people of Southern Borno that they will not be left behind in any way. So I'm happy that not just Biu, Hawul, Miringa, those communities in Southern Borno, the government is taking development to those places because they are like the minorities of that state. Yeah, because they do not belong to the dominant tribe. You know, they are like the minority. So people have always felt, oh, they marginalize them because many people in that area, including Chibok, they are Christians. But the government is showing that, look, no part of Borno State will be left behind. And I keep saying it that if only security or insecurity can be defeated in that state, development will be taken to all the nooks and crannies of the state. You know? So Boko Haram still constitutes a big threat to this governor as he seeks to reach every part of the state.
All right, Majid, but apart from providing healthcare infrastructure, the governor also commissioned a mega secondary school. Your thoughts on this?
Professor Zulum is a gift. It's God's gift to the people of Borno State, and they should forever be grateful to God for having that kind of academic who is not only working in theoretical terms but actually practicalizing it. That mega school can accommodate 1,300 students. 1,300. It has 60 classrooms and one ICT center and 4 laboratories. I mean, it's a standard that can stand the test of time anywhere in the world, not just in Nigeria. So, and look at those the hospitals that he built. I mean, the eye hospital that can is a 40-bed, while the dental hospital is a 30-bed. I mean, this is things he has been doing, and now I mean, it's not just concentrating its development activities in the city center. I mean, the capital city, Yola,
Maiduguri.
Sorry, in Maiduguri, has gone to Biu Local Government, and he has also promised to extend it to other senatorial districts. So, for a state that was ravaged by the activities of the terrorist groups in the past, I mean, they are lucky to find somebody like Professor Zulum, who has been able to turn things around in that state. I mean, kudos to him. And I mean, these are the kind of things we want to hear, not some governors who will be passive and I mean, they will just be there in name and without doing things. I mean, we can see things just like we see a lot of states are emulating Lagos development initiatives that Lagos state government is doing. What Zulum is doing in that state is also commendable, comparable to what happens in Lagos. So, and look at the empowerment he did post-COVID. I mean, it was so massive that, and it was well organized. I mean, there was no stampede.
Exactly.
Everybody was happy. I mean, we saw it on national television. So, I mean, Zulum is doing a good job, and
Yes.
we give him kudos.
Yeah, you say comparable to other states. You said Lagos. I'll say Ogun
Yeah.
State. Maybe because like
Don't
Kogi
compare
State.
him. Don't compare him. Zulum
True.
is in a class of
He's
his
in
own.
a class of
Don't
his own.
compare him. Don't make the mistake. Don't compare him with anybody. God created people differently.
Different.
Yes, don't compare him. The resources available to... The reason I don't like comparing governors is that they are not blessed
Same way.
with the same resources.
Yeah.
Talk about IGR.
The resources available to
applications
some
and all.
governors, others do not have. So what is the basis to compare people who don't have? To compare them, let them have
The same
equal
kind of
resources.
But
resources.
BKO,
we
some
can.
earn more than Zulum, and are not doing as much as
That
those,
is,
Zulum.
see,
Exactly.
that
That's
is,
what it's trying to say.
I'm saying, don't compare. Even the Yoruba say, "Ema for more, well more." The Ba for more, well more. Elu
Enough,
papa.
Papa.
You know,
Okay.
because God blessed us differently.
True.
The ability to manage resources.
Resources, yeah.
Some people don't have, but they have resources in abundance. You know, it's a skill set that some people don't have.
Absolutely.
So I still don't think that it's best to compare governors, except they are at the same level. So leave Ogun
maybe
State.
but for our English audience,
Leave Ogun
the adage you
State.
just gave now, okay, come up for more, you know.
And
maybe
yes,
say the
if you compare kids,
Yes.
you may end up beating one to death.
Sure.
If you want your child to be as brilliant as Mojid's son, for example, they are gifted differently.
Exactly.
Maybe one is very good in maths, the other one is only good in English. Because he's not good in maths, you now think that the best way is to keep flogging him.
Exactly.
Back in school, even if you flog me to death, I will still fail maths.
Oh, okay.
I will still fail maths. But if you wake me up in the dead of night,
English language.
let us do English. Even in my worst drunken state, I will still have distinction.
Absolutely.
So that's the point I'm making.